Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I created this chocolate brooch flower. I know I've created many flower videos in the past, but I like to experiment in techniques. This flower is super easy and quick to make. I melt my wilting candy melts and add it to my piping bag. I'm going to be using acetate for this, and I've cut 2 long strips for this project. I lay my first strip of acetate down onto my surface and I have my piping bag ready. I trim off about ½ centimetre off the tip and I start piping sort of a teardrop shape onto my acetate, and I'm creating about an inch space in between. I'm trying to keep them as uniform as possible. I'm not creating too many on this sheet as I don't want them to set. So I've done about 7 of these. I get my second sheet of acetate and I gently lay it over the top of the teardrop shapes I've just piped. And then using my finger, I gently press on the tips, which is just on the bottom side, carefully pressing on them. And as you can see, they are spreading and they're flattening out. I'm not pressing them too hard. I don't want them to become too thin, but about 1 millimetre or 2. Once done, I pop them in the fridge to set up. Next, to create the centres, I'm using silver dragées and this sort of art palette that I have, which has domed cavities. I create little clusters with the dragées into the cavities, and then using my piping bag with candy melts, I pipe a small dot over the surface, covering every single one of them, but I'm not drowning them. And I do this over both of them, making sure that they all sort of stick together. And then once I've piped it, I just give the art palette a light tap so that they spread evenly and that the candy melts has thoroughly covered the dragées. I allow them to set up, and this is how they look. So it's a very quick and easy way to create these. The petals have been in the fridge and they set up and they release really easily from the acetate, and as you can see, you've got a nice smooth surface on both sides, so this is a really quick and easy way to make petals. Next, it's time to assemble the flower. I'm using a small square of acetate on my surface and my piping bag ready with my candy melt. I'm just piping a small dot onto my acetate and then applying a petal, and I'm overlapping the previous petal as I go along. I'm working fairly quickly, so my candy melt has not set yet, so I can readjust and move the petals a little bit if I need to. I'm fitting around 6 to 7 or even 8 petals per circle. You can make these larger or smaller if you want to. Once I get to sort of the final petal, I do lift up the very first one and overlap it onto the last so that it looks like a uniform flow of petals. Then I just pipe the center and add my small dragée cluster that I had made earlier, and this is it. It's a super easy way to make these flowers. As you can see, it took no time at all. You can easily change up the size and colors of this and the scale of the cluster as well to make a larger brooch flower, but it's a really easy and simple method that creates lovely results, and it's so easy for anyone to try. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, hope it was helpful. Please be sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you again very soon. Thank you so much for watching.